Hey everybody, this is Eric Miller at M&M 2024 in Cleveland, Ohio. I'm at the Mega Booth with Dan from Sense AI, and you guys have some really fascinating new software out. And please explain to me what this does.
Okay, yeah, great question. So, we're all about compressed sensing. We have two parts to our business. It's a software solution. Half of the technology that we have acquires data, let's say 10% of the pixels from your device. Electron microscopy in this case. It can actually be other devices and other technologies. The other part of our software does what we call rapid inpainting. And when I say rapid, it's live video, for want of a better phrase. So we are taking something like 4D STEM, we are taking 10% of the pixels, and we are inpainting so that it looks like an image that is just as good and not discernible from as if it were 100% of the pixels.
So I heard about compressed sensing about a year ago, and it just seemed so completely insane. Because of what it's doing, it just seems magical. So how is it that, is there any hardware involved with this, or is it just software?
So we'll need a bit of hardware called a scan generator to plug into the microscope, and particularly to get access to control the beam so that we can acquire it. Or we can integrate natively, and we have some native integrations with some OEMs, but otherwise we're agnostic really because we can bring a piece of hardware.
So are there anybody specifically that you have in mind for targeting this product to? Who would this be really useful for?
The short answer is we've had feedback at this show from just about every community because low dose is important to most people. Going faster is interesting to most people. And also we get better quality results if there's less charging effects. So one of our reference customers, we have a paper out that we can send. It's a lab in the UK looking at biological samples, and we reduce the charging, we reduce the damage of the sample. We actually got a better result with less electrons.
Wow.
How about that?
So if people are interested in learning more about your product, how do they find you online?
Yeah, so sensai.vision is where you find us, or you can search for my name, Dan Summers. I'm the CEO, and I'm sure you'll get there.
Okay, well, thanks a lot, Dan. This sounds really fascinating. I'm interested in seeing what this technology does in the next couple of years because I think it'll be really interesting. Okay, that's all we got this time. This is Eric Miller, and we got more coming from M&M 2024. We'll see you then.